decided to sign up for Student Mentoring Week because I wanted the opportunity to be able to network and just learn from other firms and just learn about different design opportunities that were offered for us.
I think it's really important for all the students to do this because it just opens up your eyes to other possibilities, either working in a showroom or working for an architecture firm and different kinds of firms. So I feel like it gives you a foot in the door to meet people and build a network, so when you go out there, you know, you're better informed on what you want to do and, you know, just have a better understanding of what our profession really is.
I think it's a really great way for them to determine whether or not they like a small, medium, or large firm, whether they like a certain practice area or not. I think a lot of the time students come out of school and they think, you know, hospitality is so fabulous and that's what they want to go into. But, you know, visiting a hospitality firm for a day, they might determine that maybe they don't like it so much. So it kind of helps weed out, you know, exactly what their likes and dislikes are.
Last year it was really important for me to do this mentoring. My mentor actually asked me what sector I was interested in, so I told him hospitality. He then took me to a firm that focused like on hospitality, and then after meeting with the owner, seeing how they operated, got a tour of the office. It was just a really great experience, and building these connections. I actually now have a job after graduation because of this IIDA student mentoring. So I feel like it's a really great opportunity for all students to do this. You know, you learn a lot and you get a lot of exposure.
I think students should participate in Student Mentor Week because there are so many different facets of the industry. You know, when I was in school, I only thought there was, you know, design firm, that was kind of it. But, you know, there's design firms, there's manufacturers, there's, you know, dealers you can work for, and you can even be, you know, on business development at an A&D firm. But those were all things I didn't know as a student. And those were the things I talked about with my student because she was kind of confused why she was coming to Allsteel since they weren't a design firm, they were just, you know, a furniture company. So after talking through with her and, you know, introducing her to, you know, there's sales, there's design, there's all sorts of different things within the industry, it really enlightened her to learn more and kind of take that back to her friends as well.
I think it's important for students to take advantage of the mentoring program because it's a terrific opportunity to, first of all, network, meet people in the industry, and second of all, to learn what it's really like on the job. You know, what are the different things that you're going to be doing and what are the different types of design positions that are out there? Because that's the only way we're going to find out what we really want to do or where we're going to fit.
We take them around to meetings, client meetings, project meetings. We allow them to participate in material selections, kind of everything and anything. We value it because they also ask really great questions and they make us take a look at what we do every day, kind of at a finer scale.
Go with your passion. If you're passionate about design, go with design. If you're passionate about building relationships and maybe selling, you know, go with sales. There's so many different ways you can participate in the industry, and just because you don't think you're fit for a design firm, don't let that deter you. There's just so many other things you can do. So I would encourage you to just, you know, use your network, keep talking to your mentor, and just see where your path takes you in the industry.